Hey, what's up, MIR protocol holders? Welcome to another brand video. So today we will talk about the MIR protocol big event, because absolutely the big event was coming soon, and I'm sure they will give you the positive change occur and very huge profit now. So the price was totally decreasing. So therefore we will also predicate. We will also, my friend, talk about the price target of MIR protocol. So but I have one request to this. Was not a financial video. I just advise you to kindly research personally, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Subscribe for free signal, free prediction and technical analysis video, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So guys, if we check out the volume, 15.53% it was increased in last 24 hour, and fully diluted market cap, if we check out, so 6.43% it was decreased. Now why it was decreased? The main reason, which I understand, my friend, absolutely the holders selling. Holders are not holding, and definitely when you are stop holding and you are start selling, make sure to you are very badly lost now. So that's why I will tell you, my friends, to don't starting selling and hold now for the end of this month. I am sure to you will be get a very huge profit. Now how you will make money here from a mirror protocol now in just in only in 1 week, I will tell you, my friend. But we will need to analyze the chart result. So therefore the chart result was clearly show you, my friend. You can see here, to after a dump every coin was pumped. So you can see here, when it will jumps down from resistance line, so make sure it will be going at right now. So therefore a lot of time it will decrease now, but after that they will take a very huge jump now. So make sure to, when it will dumps down, this does not mean to it will permanently dumps down. It is temporary dump, because after that they will take a very huge pump, for example like that. Okay, so there's, so this was the big profit now, my friend. I will tell you, to mirror protocol was good for especially short-term investor. For those who invest for short-term, I request you to everyone to go and invest in mirror protocol for short-term. All right, it is not good for long-term, because everybody knows this. It is comparable, not, my friends, very badly lost, not very badly starting. So therefore that's why I tell you, 69% feeling good, my friend. You can see here, feeling are voted and trusted in mirror protocol. So that's a good, my friend, for everyone. You also, my friend, vote now in the comment box to mirror protocol is good for investment in those days or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.